it was a nightmare. Like literally, nothing was good about that car. Well, the car itself was, how should I say this? It wasn't a flood, so yeah. So that's why it keeps having problems and everything. The one of the headlights motor keeps having problems. It keeps messing up for whatever reason, and so yeah. I haven't been over here for a while. Last time I've been over here was since that crazy group ride. I didn't get much of it, sadly, but it was cool. Very cool. Which means I gotta make a U-turn. Leg. Okay. Where did he park that? Yeah, okay. I always make weird noises when I get out. Alright, ready? Alright, follow me. Alright, going out with the subscriber. Man, that shit was good. Now, he is a newer rider, so whatever happens, I have to take full responsibility. Yeah, I have to be careful because I don't want to go too fast. I'll make sure that he's with me at all times. Of course, me trying to do a wheelie, which I suck. What's that? I like his patches and everything. It's funny. It's nice over here. I don't want to bring in my area because my area, we all know why. It's not a good idea for a newer rider to be riding over there. Cheers. Have you been to this area before? Have you been to this area before? No? Oh, okay. Not too much, okay. You don't mind being on camera, right? You don't mind being on camera? Alright, cool. Oops, there was a car right there. Hey, you got something quick to eat? You wanna get something quick to eat? Alright. Anything particular? Nah? Alright, cool, let's go. Zorba's adult shop. Wow, I kind of want to go there. Wendy's! Hey, better from, I don't know how to say that shit. I can't read it. Better Method Jackson. What's up? Oh, I thought you said something. You're good. Huh?
You only need to get parts for mine. Just to pick these off of the subfloor.
Ah. You like Wendy's?
No, I don't mind.
Alright. Alright, cool.
Just haven't been here in a while.
Oh, I didn't know you had a tank back. Oh, that's nice. I like your throttle. Yeah, cruise control. You have the dual exhaust. Shit. That's not bad.
It's not bad.
Yeah, it's not bad. I like it. Yeah, because like it's about to be 2, so